Open the glove box. Remove the damper arm. Unclip the tabs at the top of the glove box. Then push in on the sides to release the stops. Although missing here, there should be screws securing the housing door. Unclip the tab and slide the housing door to the right to remove it. Remove the old filter and clean out any debris inside the housing. Insert your new filter into the housing with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. To reinstall the housing door, hook the left side into its catch, then reclip the tabs. Although missing here, there should be screws securing the housing door. Raise the glove box. Then reclip the tabs. Partially close the glove box to re-engage the stops. Reinstall the damper arm. Close the glove box.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.